Hi Capricorns, how you guys doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy, safe, following the rules and guidelines of the government. I'm just trying to adjust my camera, as you all know. Okay, so yeah, the tripod is not really good. Okay, so I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. This is the reading for the month of March 2021, and this is the situationship reading. That means you are going through this situation currently, either in career or relationship. Okay, so let's check it out. What you are going through. Okay, my sister, guys, she's here, so that's why I just asked it. Okay, so if you want to enroll for a one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to have a 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to have anything related to any session, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, and I'm also an energy consultant. If you wish to book my services for checking out your office space or your home space on video call, I can check it out and you can book my session, okay, for the same, nationally and internationally as well. Okay, so Capricorns, what are you going through currently in the month of March 2021? Your current services. Okay, something is ending, something is starting. Endings and new beginnings are on the horizon. You are ready to take a risk, you are ready to take a leap of faith by next month. Okay, this month will be all about endings. You are going through a major sharing process, like you are a very caring person. You compromise a lot. You are very happy person, happy-go-lucky person. You are juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions. Okay, yes, you feel that in a situation you have to do a lot of compromise. Okay, related to a long-term commitment or a relationship, you feel if you get into that relationship or long-term commitment, you need to do a lot of compromises. Okay, you're going with the flow, but at the same time you are confused, very much confused as fuck. Wow, you're just going with the flow currently. Okay. Okay, so yeah. Okay, yes, you are thinking to travel somewhere, you are thinking to relocate, you are thinking to shift. Okay, yes, and explore somewhere. Okay, yes, you want to have a heart to heart communication with someone. Okay, yes, there's a fighting going on between head and heart. Your mind is telling you something else and your heart is telling you something else. You are understanding a lot of things about yourself, about realizations, how you are brought up into your life, into your family. Your spiritual awakening is happening currently. Okay. Yes, endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you. It might be related to career, it might be related to relationship. Ending a relationship, starting something new with someone else, or ending a pattern, or ending a career and starting something new. You feel isolated sometimes, very alone, lonely. Okay, you feel that things are not working out into your own favor. Okay, you feel that someone is trying to control you, or someone is trying to control you. You are under control of someone. Okay, you feel very exhausted into a situation, very 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 exhausted, very much exhausted into a situation, but at the same time you want to participate in the stability process, marriage, commitment, long term life. Okay, so you are just focusing on a long term commitment, sharing, partnership. Okay, you are hoping for a long term commitment or a stability with a person or into a situation. Okay, yeah, let's see. Okay, you are moving away from all the possessiveness or the person who have used you. Okay, you are moving away from manipulative energy, sneaky energy, or you're moving away from those people who are toxic for you. Okay, you're just realizing a lot of facts about your life. Okay, going with the flow into your life. you're going through there's a wish fulfillment which you want, which will happen within next 9 to 10 months. Okay, certain amount of wish fulfillment, either related to career or relationship, but it will come true in the next from 9 to 10 months. Okay, so yeah, you're guarding your walls up, you are protecting yourself. If someone is trying to cross the boundaries, you are not allowing them to cross it. Like, you'll be like, hey, stay away. Okay, you are analyzing a lot of things about yourself, about things, about the people around you. Okay, you're waiting for some sort of major shift. Wow, major shift and major changes are about to happen in the next few months. Major changes will take place. It will take a U-turn, whole of a U-turn. Your perception about yourself, about people around you will get completely changed, 360 degree. Okay, you are very unclear into a situation currently. You are very much unclear about a situation currently, especially about a marriage or a long-term commitment you are dealing in. You feel very much disappointed related to certain things happen into a marriage life. Yes, there is issues going on into your family life or into your marriage. Okay, I think two people are into separation or living together, but not emotionally or physically connected. Okay, so there is unhappiness into a situation. That's the thing. Wow. Okay, you are going to balance a lot of money related stuff. You are hoping for an offer to come towards you. Okay, that offer will bring a lot of financial growth into your life, but that offer will come after 1 month or 2 months from now. Leave March, April, May. In May you might get an offer related to money. Okay, if there is that offer, grab that opportunity. Okay, you are balancing a lot of money related stuff. Even if you are spending it very wisely now. Okay, thinking about 2 times and then you are spending the money. Okay, yes. Okay, so there is a risk happening. Okay, like, there is a lot of risk. You want to take a risk towards something, you want to take a risk towards your wish fulfillment. It might be related to career, it might be related to relationship. That risk is taking taking time. Like, that new beginning is taking time for you. Okay, it is not universally aligned right now. Okay, okay, so you need to take an action towards someone or something. Okay, or you want to move forward in life. You will, for sure, you will. Okay, so yes. Okay, so there is a huge shift a huge shift is about to happen into your financial life or into your materialistic world, or a major change is about to happen into your life within next 3 months, related to a partnership. Now, partnership can be into business also, job also, or a partnership into a relationship as well. Okay, so a major huge shift is about to happen related to that. Okay, now this situation might be for few of you, not all of you, but yeah, whosoever is resonating, they are resonating. I cannot do anything. Okay, so yeah, you're not thinking about there's a lack of financial problems. Like, there you want to double your income, you want to double your investments and all, you want to have a lot of money, but you are very unclear with the situation, how to do it or where to do it, from which sources you need to do it. Okay, so you sometimes feel, the people who are married, I'm talking about them, or who are into relationship, I'm talking about them. Sometimes you feel that you want to leave the past behind and you want to move forward, but you are thinking to move on. I think in the month of March you will move on from the past problems, issues, or the issues you have gone through. Okay, so yeah, whatever happened, like a major shake-up happened into your married life. Okay, which shook you off. Okay, and there was a lot of issues with the married life. Okay, and because of that, there's an imbalance going on into your marriage life, Capricorns. Okay, or your relationship, something happened because of the family stuff or the third party situation, or it can be anything. Okay, recently it happened, and that's why the relationship got hindered or the family life got hindered. Okay, so yeah, so there is a spiritual connection happening. Okay, so your third eye chakra is opening into your life. Okay, so yeah, you are waiting for some sort of major opportunity related to money. Okay, Capricorns, and that opportunity is going to come in the next 9 months, and I think that will be your wish fulfillment. Okay, whatever opportunity is coming, it will be coming from May to October or November. One major opportunity will come into your life. You should grab that opportunity because it's on the horizon for you. Okay, yes, there's a wish fulfillment blockages there. So wish fulfillment might not come through this month, but it will come in the next upcoming months. Okay, so yeah, nice energies are very good. Major decisions you will be taking this month. You are understanding a lot of facts about yourself, about the people around you, about the things about you. Okay, so yes guys, let's check it out, the universal messages for you guys. Okay, sit. Sorry guys, I'm just telling my assistant to sit. Okay, 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 okay. So the first universal message is, I witness the darkness and call on the light with my prayer. Thank you universe for guiding me to perceive this fear through the eyes of the teacher of love. The second message is, true healing occurs when I give myself permission to feel whatever feelings live below the trigger. The third universal message for Capricorns is, my fearless freedom lights up the world. You feel a lot of like you need freedom into your life. You cannot deal with any of the stupidity or if someone is trying to control you, which is very good. The fourth way is, when I focus on my inner light, I see the world through the lens of love. Why? Wow. The fifth message is, when I think I have surrendered, I surrender more. So yeah, universe, if you will surrender more, the universe has your back and he'll support you in no matter what, because these are energetically aligned. Okay, and it has been written into your destiny. That's why it's happening. So if you're dealing with any karmic things, if you're dealing with any marriage issues, it's not because of you, it's because universe has aligned it for you, and there's always a reason why universe gives troubles and obstacles into your life. Okay, so yeah, understand that. Okay, so yeah, bye bye guys, take care, have fun, and kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel guys. Bye bye, take care.